Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a calendar private on ClickUp. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to have a calendar for themselves, or maybe other employers or contractors on your ClickUp account. You want to make sure that other people can't see their calendar. So what that's going to look like is that we're first going to go hop onto our ClickUp account, and then afterwards, you can see that there's a lock icon here. That means that this calendar here is private. So in order to actually go ahead and make it private, you just click on that calendar, then click on sharing and permissions. And then from here, you're going to see this toggle where it says private view. So right now it's toggled on, so which means that it's a private calendar. So if you go ahead and do that, you can see now it's toggled off. That means that this is a public calendar. So in order to actually go ahead and private a calendar, go and click on sharing permissions. We're just going to toggle this on again, or you could actually click on this make private button, exit out. So that is the best and easiest way that I found to actually go ahead and private a calendar. If you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.